Did you know that onions were worshipped in ancient Egypt? They believed its spherical shape and concentric rings symbolized eternal life? Yes, you heard it right. The humble onion, often overlooked and underappreciated, has a fascinating history and an even more intriguing array of health benefits. From the bustling bazaars of ancient Egypt to the rustic kitchens of medieval Europe, onions have been a staple in various cultures for centuries. This versatile vegetable was not only cherished for its robust flavor, but also revered for its health-enhancing properties. The ancient Egyptians, for example, saw the onion's layers as a symbol of eternity and used it in their religious rituals. They even buried their pharaohs with onions, hoping to provide them with eternal life. Fast forward a few millennia and onions continue to be a vital part of our diets. But beyond their culinary uses, onions are packed with nutrients that can boost our health in surprising ways. They come in a variety of types, each with its unique taste and health benefits. Red onions, for instance, are rich in quercetin, a potent antioxidant that can help fight inflammation. White onions, on the other hand, are a great source of allicin, a compound known for its antibacterial properties. And then there are shallots. With their delicate flavor and impressive nutritional profile, they are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Not to mention the sweet Vidalia onions, prized for their mild taste and versatility in cooking. They are also packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for immune health. Whether raw or cooked, onions can contribute to our health in various ways. They are low in calories, high in vitamins and minerals, and packed with powerful compounds that can protect us from numerous health issues. So the next time you find yourself tearing up while chopping onions, remember, it's not just about the tears. It's about a history-rich vegetable working its magic to boost your health. Stick around to discover how this humble vegetable can have a tremendous impact on your health. Ever wondered why onions are a staple in almost every cuisine around the world? One reason is their immunity-boosting properties. Onions, these humble bulbs, are a powerhouse of essential nutrients and antioxidants that are vital for our immune system. They are packed with compounds like quercetin and sulfur that act as the first line of defense against harmful pathogens. Think of these compounds as the knights of our body, protecting the castle from invaders. They are always on guard, always ready for battle. Moreover, onions are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in immune health. This water-soluble vitamin aids in the production of white blood cells, our body's natural defenders. These white blood cells are like the infantry, the foot soldiers in our body's army, always ready to fight off any invading bacteria or virus. But that's not all. Vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, a protein that helps in the repair and maintenance of our skin, bones, and connective tissues. So not only does it boost our immune system, but it also helps us heal faster. Now let's talk about diseases. We all know prevention is better than cure. Here's where onions come into play. The antioxidants found in onions help to neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. By neutralizing these free radicals, onions help in reducing the risk of these diseases. And guess what? This isn't just a theory. Numerous studies have shown a correlation between the consumption of onions and a decreased risk of certain types of cancers. So, the next time you're cooking, don't hesitate to throw in an extra onion or two. Not only will they add a burst of flavor to your dishes, but they'll also give your immune system that extra boost it needs. Remember, a healthy body is a result of healthy eating habits, and it seems adding onions to your diet is a pretty good place to start. So the next time you're cooking, don't hesitate to throw in an extra onion or two. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but did you know that onions could be a heart's best friend? Yes, you heard it right. Onions are not just a staple in your kitchen. They are also a vital ingredient for a healthy heart. How so, you ask? Well, onions are rich in sulfur compounds. These compounds have been found to have a positive effect on the heart. They work to reduce inflammation and protect the heart from a host of diseases. Inflammation is often a silent culprit that damages your heart over time. By reducing inflammation, these sulfur compounds help to protect the heart and keep it healthy. But that's not all. Onions also contain flavonoid antioxidants. These are powerful substances that work to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, which is a key player in the development of heart disease. By neutralizing these free radicals, flavonoids help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Moreover, these flavonoids in onions don't just fight against free radicals. They also contribute to lowering heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. High blood pressure or hypertension is a significant risk factor for heart disease. It puts unnecessary strain on your heart, causing it to work harder than it needs to. But the flavonoids in onions can help to lower this high blood pressure, keeping your heart working at its optimal level. What's more, the sulfur compounds and flavonoids in onions work together. They complement each other to provide an all-rounded protection for your heart. They reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and lower blood pressure, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. So, the next time you're cooking, don't forget to add that extra onion. You're not just adding flavor to your food, you're also giving your heart the protection it needs. In conclusion, onions are more than just a kitchen staple. They are a heart's best friend, providing it with the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy. It seems like the phrase, "an onion a day keeps the doctor away," could be true. Diabetes is a growing concern in today's health-conscious society. Fortunately, onions can play a role in managing this condition. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do onions help regulate blood sugar levels? Well, let's dive right in. Onions in their various forms have been found to lower blood sugar levels. They're rich in sulfur compounds and flavonoid antioxidants, which are believed to have blood sugar lowering effects. Studies have shown that these compounds can increase the availability of insulin in the body, a hormone that's crucial for regulating blood sugar. But it doesn't stop there. Onions also contain a trace mineral called chromium. This might not sound like a big deal, but chromium plays a significant role in our bodies. It enhances the action of insulin, which means that it helps your body use glucose effectively. This is not just beneficial for people with diabetes, but it can also help prevent the onset of this condition. And it's not only about blood sugar regulation. Onions are also known to improve glucose tolerance. This is particularly important for individuals with type 2 diabetes, a condition characterized by insulin resistance. Consuming onions can help your body respond better to insulin, thereby improving your glucose tolerance. It's worth noting that while onions can assist in managing blood sugar levels, they're not a standalone treatment for diabetes. They should be incorporated into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. So, how can you add more onions to your diet? They're incredibly versatile. You can chop them up for a salad, caramelize them for a tasty topping, or even roast them for a flavorful side dish. And don't forget about onion soup. It's a classic for a reason. In the end, onions offer a host of health benefits, including blood sugar regulation. They're a simple addition to your diet that can bring about significant improvements in your overall health. So if you're watching your sugar levels, onions should definitely be on your menu. We've learned a lot today about the health benefits of onions. Let's quickly recap. These humble, teary bulbs of flavor are more than just a kitchen staple. They are packed with nutrients and health benefits that can boost our overall well-being. Let's revisit the points we've discussed. First, we dove into how onions are extraordinary immunity boosters. Rich in vitamin C, onions help in building a strong immune system. They are also abundant in phytochemicals that enhance the effectiveness of vitamin C in your body, giving you an extra shield against harmful microbes and infections. So, the next time you're battling a cold, remember to add some onions to your soup or salad. Next, we explored how onions are a heart's best friend. They contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol levels, thus reducing heart disease risk. The sulfur compounds in onions act as a natural blood thinner and prevent blood platelets from clumping together. This can help keep a check on blood pressure and ensure smooth blood flow. Moving on, we discussed how onions can be your ally in regulating blood sugar levels. Chromium present in onions assists in regulating blood glucose levels. Moreover, the sulfur compounds have been known to have anti-diabetic effects by helping to lower blood sugar by increasing the amount of free insulin available. Now, wouldn't you agree that onions are indeed a superfood? Packed with nutrients, they boost immunity, protect your heart, and help maintain healthy sugar levels. All these benefits wrapped up in layers of a single bulb, so the next time you shed a tear while chopping onions, remember all the amazing health benefits they're bringing to your plate. Until next time, stay healthy and eat well.